ahí. Mira, mira, calentito. No te metas mucho. Mira que te va a ver, es como transparente. Se ve que hay espacio, pero todavía se ve que hay aquí. Se ve como que tiene orilla, pero sí, arriba y abajo. Yo creo que yo vi ese plástico en Costco o en Sam's. Yo creo que es Costco. A veces sale más barato uno comprar un de estos que estar alquilando nuevo. ¿Quieres salvar de eso? Gracias.
Okay, do believe we are ready for launch.
So you're gonna go down this edge and then go way over there to where the dog tags are?
Other side, I'm gonna be down by the dam, but I do want to start running kind of maybe around this area here too. I don't know, I might start down at the dam and then finish up here. You know what I'm saying? But like, if the body was found, they said pretty much right over here behind these containers.
Yeah.
So I want to kind of check this side of the boat ramp out, that side of the boat ramp out. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And kind of see, you know, yes, the body was found on land, but, you know, could there maybe be something that was, I mean, because this is obviously a very public area. You see there's tons of people out here.
Yeah.
I'm sure this place is open from, you know, dawn till dusk. So it would be kind of hard, I would think, to drop a body out here without anybody seeing you, unless it was done late at night. Which means, you know, just all this area here, and that's, you know, we don't actually know. I mean, it's all hearsay. There's no police report that I've been able to obtain to say where they actually found the body. So that being said, they might have found it in the water. I don't know. But I think it's worth checking out, but I definitely want to go down to the dam, put the drone down there, and kind of look around that area too. You know, we have had 2 confirmed deaths around that area, so I would like to kind of see what's in that area down there, see what's on, see what's on the bottom of the lake down there, and then go from there as to what the next game plan is going to be, which is probably going to be just in the shallows here along the bank on this side. Is, you know what I'm saying? So
yes, sir.
That's the plan for now. That is the tentative plan.
Okie doke.
Is just, you know, do a little sightseeing
And then later on I should meet you way over there where we were last time.
What's that?
After this, do you want me to meet you over there where we were
I don't
last
know.
time?
I'm probably going to come back here just because,
Okay.
like I said, I want to check along the banks here, which is why I was thinking, you know, maybe that'd be better
Okay.
done later as more and more people kind of leave the area.
Okie doke.
I'm going to go down to the dam first, go down there, see what I can find down there, and then come back and run the drone around this area a little bit.
Okie
We'll
doke.
kind of go from there.
Be safe.